Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the three functions or three mathematical functions available in C. One is called ceil, another one is floor, and another one is round. So we're going to see these three functions in detail in this tutorial. So first we're going to see this ceil function. This ceil function is going to return the smallest integer not less than the number passed. So when we pass a number here, the ceil function is going to return the smallest integer, not less than the number passed here, and it's going to return the integer value, but that value will be represented as float. And now the floor function. So this floor function does the opposite of this ceil function. This floor function is going to return the largest integer not greater than the number passed here, and the returned integer value will be represented as floating point value. So I'm going to explain that in detail while using these functions. And the next one is this round function. So this round function is going to return the nearest integer value. So it may be greater than this number passed here, or it may be less than the number passed here. So we're gonna see these three functions in detail. So just for the demonstration purpose, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a printf function first. It's gonna be printf, and okay, now I'm gonna write let's say ceil function, and we're gonna say %f, because the returned value will be represented as float. That's why we're gonna use %f here. And next I'm going to call the ceil function. So it's going to be ceil, and as a parameter I'm going to pass 9.9. So the ceil function is going to return the smallest integer value, which will not be less than the number passed here, and the ceil function here is going to return the smallest integer value not less than this 9.9, which is 10. And next we're going to see the floor function, and I'm gonna say floor function here, then %f, and also we're gonna use the floor here, and let's pass same value 9.9. So this floor function is gonna return the largest integer not greater than this number. So here largest integer not greater than 9.9 is 9, so we're gonna get a value of 9 here. And next I'm gonna copy this one and paste it in the next line. Okay, here we're gonna say round function. So this round function is gonna return the nearest integer value. So the integers around this 9.9 is 9 and 10, and the nearest one is the 10. That's why it's gonna return a value of 10. Before running this program, so here what happens is we have passed the value 9.9 to three functions. So when we use this ceil function, this ceil function is going to return the smallest integer not less than this 9.9. So the smallest integer not less than this 9.9 is 10. So it's going to return a value of 10. And this floor function is going to return the largest integer not greater than this 9.9. So the largest integer not greater than this 9.9 is 9. And this round function is going to return the nearest integer. So two integer values between this 9.9 is 9 or 10. So the nearest one is 10. That's why it's going to return a value of 10. So if we had a 9.4 here, then it would have returned a value of 9, because 9.4 is nearer to 9, not 10. And if you have 9.5, then it's gonna return 10. Okay, now I'm gonna run this program. So execute, compile and run. Okay, before that we're gonna add a new line here. I don't know why I always forget this one. Okay, compile and run. So you can see here, so ceil function 10, the smallest integer value not less than 9.9, which is 10. Next, the floor function 9 because largest integer value not greater than 9.9, and the round function 10, that's because the nearest integer value. So if I change this one to 9.4 and here also 9.4 and here also 9.4, so now the ceil function is gonna return the smallest integer not less than this 9.4. so we have 9 and 10, so not less than this 9.4 means this one 10, that's why it's going to return a value of 10. And here this flow function is going to return the largest integer not greater than this 9.4, which is 9, and this function is going to return the nearest integer value, so it's going to be 9, and all these returned values will be represented as float. So now I'm going to run this one more time. So you can see here 10, 9, 9. So this is it, guys. This is about a small video tutorial on the ceil, flow and round functions in C. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.